Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navarisam. I am Assistant Professor at the Department of Food Technology from the Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this presentation, I am going to talk about equipment used for the testing of packaging materials. The primary purpose of a package is to ensure the safety of its contents. It may damage during the handling, storage, transportation, and also distribution. To prevent this kind of damages and to promote the quality and also the safety, some testing of the packaging materials are needed. GSM test is one of the basic tests which stands for gram per square meter, that is weight per 1 square meter of the testing specimen, that is the packaging material. It can be applied to the paper based packaging materials. Then thickness test. Digital thickness meter is used to measure the thickness of paper boards, films, foils and also laminates. Then pinhole test. Laminates are used for their barrier properties. The presence of holes can affect the shelf life of the product, that is packaged foods. So this test can be applied for the foil laminates also. So next one is the oxygen permeation test. OTR analyzer is used to measure this. Even though many sensors are available to measure the presence of oxygen, but this type of analyzer has been used effectively. And then coefficient of friction. So frictional properties of the packaging materials are measured oftenly. The role of films or film-based plastics coming from the packaging machine. Example, form fill sealing machines. And then ink rub test. It is a test to check the printing quality. We know packaging or a silent salesman as it contains all the details like from the date of manufacturing, nutritional properties and expiry date and so on. But the packaging also get scuffed or rubbed during any stages of the production, transportation and distribution. So this test can be applicable to all types of surface printed packaging materials. This type of thickness gauge uses ultrasonication, which measures from the outside of the packaging material. Based on the velocity of the material, it can calculate the thickness, which is applicable to the metal, tin cans, and also to the plastic pipes. Then torque test. It is nothing but opening and closing of the bottle closures. So low force is equal to low torque and the high force is equal to high torque. But optimum opening and closing of the bottle closures are mandatory. Then the pouch burst test. It is just like the pouch compression test when the packaged food prone to external forces which is subject to the internal pressure that can damage us. So this test can be applicable to the flexible pouches and blister packaging. Then seal strength test. It is the quantitative measurement for the process of validation, and through this ability to produce consistent seals are necessary. So it is applicable to the flexible laminates and formed products. This headspace gas analyzer is nothing but O2 measurement. So presence of oxygen can spoil the food product. So MAP targets to flush out the presence of oxygen. And then bursting strength test. So it is done with the help of pressure. So paper board and also the plastics are tested for their withstand during the highest pressure. Then instant moisture meter. So it is used to measure the presence of water or moisture content in the packaged food products. So it will measure very instantly. The drop tester is used to measure the withstand ability of the packaging material after it is subject to fall from the drop tester. So usually cotton boxes and cardboard boxes are used for this kind of testings. Then the vibration test. The packaged foods like cotton boxes and cardboard boxes are placed on the vibration table to test the quality of the packaging. So it will help to ensure the quality of the cardboard boxes or cotton boxes during the transportation and distribution. And then compression test, so you can see the mechanical as well as the digital compression tester. So based on the force applied, whether your packaging materials, especially the paper board based packaging materials, will withstand or not, we can clarify that with the help of this kind of testings. With this, I conclude that the testing of packaging materials, that may be a paper or plastic or even glass materials, and also the metal cans and any type of packaging materials should be tested for the further quality and safety during their production, packaging, distribution, and also the transportation of packaged goods. Thank you for your attention.